Namaste to all, it's Untitled Chapter. Welcome you all to Om Divine Healing channel, and today I am going to do a card reading for this whole week, which is from Monday till Sunday. I have already put my intention till my prayers, and I have already put out the cards from the two decks. And the first deck which I am using is Indigo Angel card deck, and the another deck which I am going to use is the Motivation Manifesto. So let's begin. I am going to start reading card from the first deck, and the first card is Freedom. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: this card answers your question by guiding you to seek greater freedom. Perhaps this comes from releasing something that no longer serves you. This card is also a confirmation that your prayers for freedom have been heard and the angels are working to bring change into your life. As an indigo, you can sense when someone is being controlled or manipulated. You have an innate ability to see unnecessary restrictions and rule, but sometimes you may unknowingly impose your own restrictions and rule upon yourself. When you draw this card, it signals that you should release control over your desire, freely dream big for yourself and this planet, and allow the angels to guide you with their eternal and infinite wisdom. Another card. Think about it. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: this card asks you to step back from your current path or through process and review the situation you are asking about. There is an unseen aspect, and the angels guide you to slow down so you can move forward with the whole picture in sight. This card can also be cautionary if you were about to make a radical change impulsive. While it may still be the best path, this card asks you to look into the alternatives first. As an indigo, you are exquisitely sensitive to energy, and your mission is to heal and transform negative energy into positive. However, there is always a better way to do so. This card asks you to research your option for making the helpful changes that are part of your indigo mission. Another card, Shielding. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: although you may be strong at heart, your indigo energy is almost the most sensitive on the planet, which is why you feel so intensely in situations where others seem calm. For that reason, this card is asking you to energetically shield yourself from negativity. Know that the angels are always around you, and their powerful auras are continually at your disposal for energetic shielding. Simply ask heaven to surround you with angelic light, and know that you are spiritually and emotionally protected. Anytime you are in a hard situation, immediately request that the angels shield you. Another card, Share your vision. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: within you is ancient and powerful wisdom about the true rules of right and wrong. As an indigo, you came to this planet to make big changes, and you are not alone in this mission. As you learn more about the changes that should be made to society, this card guides you to share this awareness with like-minded others. The more indigos you know their true purpose, because people like you awaken them to it, the more effective and collective mission will be. Last but not the least, self-care. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is: make sure you are not giving to the point of creating lack in your own life. As an indigo, you feel compassion for the world because of your divine mission. As a result, you sometimes become generous to a fault. You may not see this as a problem. However, this card is telling you that you must be aware of your own needs in life. Make sure that you are doing enough for yourself so that you don't suffer due to your generosity. Allow yourself to feel how great it is to have your needs met, and trust that those around you are guided by their angels to ensure that all of them are taken care of too. You are here on earth to help, but you are not everyone's problem solver. The greatest gift you can give others is to ask their angels to awaken and guide them to their unique purpose. I'll start reading cards from another deck, and the first card is: the main motivation of humankind is to be free, to express your true selves and pursue your dreams without restriction, to experience what may be called personal freedom. Another card: we should not fear an obsession for building a great free life. Another card: when we ready ourselves for our ultimate destiny, when we release our childish selfish needs, and we align our priorities to those of the heart, we can finally reach those magnificent fields of human empathy, kindness, compassion, forgiveness, generosity, and courage. Another card. Life is meant to be a vibrant, deeply felt, growing mosaic of long, meaningful moments. Another card. Life's greatest victories are won on the fields of love. Last but not the least, reality can be shaped and changed by my direct actions, and so I will act with constancy to forgive my ideal life. This was the card reading for this whole week. I hope you guys like it. Thank you all of you for coming and watching this video. I wanted to say thanks to all my subscribers for subscribing my channel. Thank you all of you. I want to say thanks to all the people who are helping me to make this video and people who are inspiring to make these videos. Thank you all of you for all my services, including angel card reading and angel reading. You guys can reach out me through my email ID, and people who are associated with social media, of course you guys can reach out me through WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, Skype, and definitely I would love to help you guys and work with you guys. So till I see you next time, I sing the brittle. Take care, leave with sort of flow, bright and angel presence. Namaste.